next year I'm going to be singing my song called Mad. Bye! Mad, mad, don't make me mad. Mad, mad, don't make me mad. Come here. Come here. Mad, don't make me mad. You regret what you say. Don't make me mad. Oh, oh, oh. Don't make me mad. See what you got. Don't be anything mean. You don't want to see me mad. Be up in the stars. You'll be down under the ground. Oh, 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 but oh, 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 but oh. Don't make me mad. You regret anything you want to say me. Don't make yourself regret it. Hey, hey, hey. Don't make me mad. You don't want to see me mad. Hey, you don't want to leave me all alone. Hey, you don't want to see me. Want to see me? Never I'm mad. Just to get mad easily. Easily. So be nice for now. 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 Hey. Don't make me mad what I said before. Don't make me mad before. Don't make me mad before I said, hey. Don't make me mad before I said. Don't make me mad I said, cause I don't like to get mad. Oh. Scumpy. Don't make me mad Don't make me mad I said today. Don't make me mad. Yeah. Don't make me mad. 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 Whoa. Don't make me mad. You regret whatever you said. Don't make me mad. Don't make me mad. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. And that was my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And please like and subscribe. I did make up these songs. I didn't have help, but they just came into my mind. So yeah.